Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, I have some pumpkin. I brought them from Jamaica, real Jamaican pumpkin. And today I'm gonna make like a new recipe. All right, this one will be pumpkin and Irish potato punch. All right, so I'm using this amount of pumpkin. This about a pound and a little bit, maybe pound and a half possibly. And I'm gonna use about 3 nice Irish. That will do, guys. If they're big, maybe you can use 2. You can use those 2 then instead of 3, or you can use 3 medium size. All right, I'm gonna peel them, add them to this, and I'll come back. All right my peeps, I'm back and I peeled the Irish. I actually peeled 3 and I add some more pumpkin, so it's like about 2 pounds, a little bit of pumpkin, and I'm gonna put it to the water. You can put some cinnamon stick here if you want. Oops. You can use this pumpkin for soup, guys. Ooh. You cut this one. Oh, just enough. And you don't want the Irish outdo the pumpkin, alright? Because it's actually pumpkin punch, and I'm adding some Irish to it. Don't add any salt or anything. Only I think you can add some cinnamon or a cinnamon stick. All right, I'm gonna let this boil for about 5-7 minutes just to be a little bit soft, and then I'm gonna blend it off. And this is it. You don't want it to be overcooked, although the pumpkin back. So guys, over here I have the dragon, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, and some, this is, I mixed together some creamy malt, lasco, and vanilla mixed together. All right, in my blender, and I have a little bit of almond beverage over here. I got it at Walmart, cheap. Blend up stuff are what I'm gonna blend up, guys. All right, I'm gonna take my time. Oh my gosh, the pumpkin smells so good, guys. I'll do it soft out a little bit. Now watch no face. I blend up that. You never have to cook it so soft, guys. You never have to cook it so soft. But I'm gonna blend water, use water and blend it and everything. Something smell nice, like you make soup. Alright, and oh, piece this up. I'm gonna put a little bit of the juice liquid. Alright, that will do. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this. I think that's good. And I'm gonna blend this first because the blender is already full. Where's the cover? And I'm gonna blend away, guys. So rich and creamy, guys. All right, look at that, guys. It spilled a little bit. I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna pour it out. So smooth and creamy. Oh, creamy and smooth, guys. Oh my god, and it smells amazing. Oh, smell of the pumpkin. You know, it's a pumpkin spice. It's really good. Oh, I'm gonna blend up this batch now, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. That's it, and this is the leftover. I'm gonna put about half or 3/4 bottle of dragon. Half will do for now. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons vanilla, something like that. A dash of cinnamon, maybe about half teaspoon. and nutmeg another half teaspoon, something like that. And here I have some Lasco creamy malt mixed with vanilla. If you can't see this, I'm gonna put about 4 tablespoons. One more for the road. Okay, and I'm gonna add the rest of milk. That's it, done. I'm gonna take a little bit more, guys. All right, guys, I think it might take a, you can take a little bit more almond milk, so I'm gonna put a little bit more like that, about another cup, and I'm gonna go in with less than a cup of sugar, about half cup this one. And what else did he say? Am I forgetting something, guys? I'm gonna serve it up with ice. I don't want to get too watery. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. Let's blend. And guys, you sweeten it how you like it, alright? If you feel like you want something else, you put whatever you like in it. You can put some condensed milk too, or you can just straight almond. It's up to you. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish up, get some glass and ice, and then I'm gonna come back and serve up it. Alright, sweeten it to your liking. Alright guys. Guys, may end up with the rest of dragon. Tastes like you want, oops, a little bit more. The rest of dragon. You can put more Lasco in there too, guys, or some tin milk. It's up to you. This is good. Alright, I'll come back. Yeah. Alright, my peeps, I'm back, and I put some back in the blender to pour out easily. So let's put some ice cube, just one. Oopsie, and 2 in this one. Alright, that's good. Let's pour. And I'm going to pour the rest over here. A little bit short. There you go. Alright my peeps, and this is it. This is my new recipe. Try it out and tell me how you like it. This is another version of the Jamaican strong back punch. You can add whatever you want to it, guys. I'll come back with another video, put some peanut in there, some sea moss. Yes, change it up a little bit. Alright, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Alright, so if you're back weak and you're tired, work night shift like me, have a glass. Long hours, satisfaction guarantee. Alright, we're gonna make some people taste it, guys, and come back with a good review. Alright. Bless up, one love, and remember to smile. Take a picture, guys, and then I'm gonna taste it for you. Alright guys, I'm gonna taste this one. So it's looking oh, so good. Alright, you have a good day. Bye guys.